Can't choose between a table light or a path light? This light is all in one. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Pathfinder Solar Post Lights. Let's get into it. Our Pathfinder Solar Post Lights are cable free and run completely on their own. They measure at 23.5 centimeters tall and 8.5 centimeters wide, and the stake adds an extra 15 centimeters in height. These lights emit a soft, warm white glow and come as a set of 2. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the 2 lights, the instructions, and the stakes. These lights are 2 in 1, a post light and a table light. You can choose whether you want to stake them into soft ground or place them upon your tabletop. The choice is yours. All you have to do is attach the relevant parts and you're good to go. These lights come with a tabletop base already attached. To attach the spike, simply pop off the base and attach the spike like so. To turn these lights on, you'll need to unscrew the top of the light head. This is where you can find the power button. Simply flip the power button to the on position and you're good to go. If you ever want to replace the battery, you can unclip the top and remove the battery. You can then replace it with a new one. You can find these batteries on our website. If you cover the solar panel, it tricks the lights into thinking it's nighttime and the lights will turn on. Since these are solar lights, they'll turn on automatically at dusk and remain on for 8 hours on a full charge. These lights stand strong on their own or in the set of 2. They're made with a toughened plastic, making them durable and able to survive the harsher British winters. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.